Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will talk about how to move to Valorant to another directory without download. First go to the search panel, type run. In run type percent program data percent. Now search for Riot Games. Click on Riot Clients install.json. Now copy the directory of Valorant. Paste it in the folder search section. Now I've already copied Valorant to another directory. Go inside Valorant. Before live, just copy the directory. Open the JSON file. Paste the directory here before live. Now change the slashes accordingly. Save. Now go to search panel again, type run. Percent program data percent. Go to Riot Clients again. Metadata Valorant.live and Valorant live product settings. Open this file in Notepad. At the bottom of this file, you can find the product install full path. You have to paste the path you have copied Valorant 2 in here as well. Change the slashes. And now do as I'm doing here. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.